Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set home screen wallpaper on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you are going to find this wallpaper option. So just click on it. So when you click on wallpaper, you just scroll a little bit like this. See? And on the down you are going to find this explore more wallpaper. So click on it. When you click on explore more wallpaper, no, here you have to click on top. When you click on top, no, you are going to find the many free wallpapers. Okay, so you can select from here any wallpaper that you are benefit in or that you like it. Okay, suppose I select this wallpaper, and here the download option will come like this. Just click on this download option. When you are downloading, no, after finish it, no, the apply option will come as it has came. So click on apply. When you move on apply, no, there is the three option: home screen, lock screen and lock and home screen for the both. Okay, so if you want to set for home screen, just move on home screen, and here the option will come set on home screen. So click on it. When you click on it, this wallpaper will apply successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, just click on this option. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.